Are you ready? Wow, look at this! Actually, it's super cute! Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Mrs. Barbie, Barbie lover in Untitled. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing a little pink food cooking. Guess what I'm making today? So it's a salad dressing from Japan. Sesame gave this to me the other day and oh my gosh, literally it was the best salad dressing I've ever had. Let me tell you, they're not sponsored or anything. It's not advertisement or anything, but literally this brand is the best salad dressing I've ever had. Now it's almost gone. I wanted to make the same taste, same flavor dressing before it's gone. I know it's almost impossible to make exactly the same, but I still wanted to make something similar, you know. So here they show the ingredients. Well, it's in Japanese. See? Here they have the ingredients. So I will put things little by little by watching this list. And I have no idea how much I should put, but you know, I will just keep tasting and make it similar. Let me read the ingredients so you can kind of picture how that tastes like. So it has oil, vinegar, egg, onion, salt, garlic, peanut, sesame seed, sea kelp, soy sauce, cashew, spices. I don't know exactly what they mean, but they say spices, and carrot, celery, and lemon. The biggest reason why I love this dressing was even when I didn't have any other veggie besides lettuce, I was satisfied. Yeah, I could just pour this over the lettuce and I was totally satisfied. And of course, I want to make this into pink with some Beets Powder today. Yeah, I don't know how it goes, but let's start. So first, you need some bottle. Today, I'm just using the empty water bottle. Recycle. It's perfect. I really want to have some lid. When it's separated, you can shake. Yeah. So actually, just the water bottle is perfect. They are supposed to name the ingredients from the things they put the most. So let's start from oil. Or actually, you know what? I can just start from mayonnaise maybe, because the oil, vinegar, egg is literally the mayonnaise ingredient, I think. What should I do? Yeah, just little by little. Ah! And for making fresh dressing, you need to use super fresh eggs. I just got these eggs like literally this morning. Okay, I'm putting some eggs and vinegar. Shaken. I can adjust later. And next it says onion. Like this. When I taste this dressing, I taste onion a lot. Okay, I think it's enough. I'm taking a note how much I'm putting these today. What's next? Salt and garlic. So I use here. Don't shave your finger or nail. Okay. See the garlic. I'm not putting too much. Peanuts. So for nuts kind, I'm gonna crush into smaller, almost like a powder. Ah! By the way, did you notice my hoodie? Remember I was wearing pink sweatshirt the other day. I just got black hoodie as well. And I love it. It's so comfortable. Again, thank you for everyone who already ordered my merch. Everyone who ordered at the beginning, I'm putting your name on my secret list. When I do fan meetings, sometimes I'm gonna put those people's name on the priority list. Everyone who ordered my merch by the end of April, you will get priority when I do fan meeting in the US. I'm not planning yet, but you know, in future. If you are still thinking or if you are still waiting for something, I totally recommend to order earlier. But you know, of course, even if you didn't order my March, you can still have chance to come to my fan meeting. You know, I'm just talking and talking, but they are getting there. When I taste this dressing, I don't feel any chunk of peanuts. So I'm trying to make them really, really tinier, like powder. Okay. It's not super powder, but I don't have patience. Okay, what's next? Sesame! Okay, another grinding. I usually get this white sesame seed at Japanese market, but today I found this at pavilions. Like a white sesame seed almost makes everything taste better and healthier. Sesame is really, really healthy. In Japan, we have like a special bowl for grinding sesame, but I don't have that bowl here. And when you smash the sesame seeds, it smells so good. It smells really good. It takes a while. Look! Looks like powder, right? Yeah, I think that's good. I could do more actually, but feeling lazy. I mean, I'm getting hungry. I need to eat something now. You know what? Actually, I can eat some peanuts. I'm eating some peanuts here. I'm really hungry. And now it's almost 4 p.m. but I haven't eaten lunch yet. Yummy. Okay. Put in here. What's next? So seaweed, sea kelp, not nori, but sea kelp. Today I could only go to pavilion and they didn't have sea kelp, so I'm skipping this time. And now soy sauce. Put soy sauce. What's next? Cashews. You know what I'm gonna do, right? I love cashew. When I'm cooking, if I know I will put everything together later, I'm not gonna wash this. I'm just using the same dish. I'm saving water. This is so good. The cashew look like this now. Just a little bit. I haven't tasted it yet, so I don't know. It looks too yellowish, huh? I need more other ingredients. Okay, now I need carrot. Spices, carrot, celery. Spices? How about putting this? The everyday seasonings. Useful. It's really useful. Yeah, I will just put this here. Carrot. Looks like I only need a little bit. I think it's good enough. Look like this. And celery. Celery. And lemon. Lemon juice. That's it? Yeah. I know it looks too eggish. So let me put beets powder a little bit. I feel like I'm doing chemistry thing. Okay, now I'm gonna shake it. Are you ready? Looks pink. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at this. Actually, it's super cute. It looks super cute. It's a pretty color. You know, have you seen the strawberry vinegar dressing? It almost looks like that. Okay, now let me taste a little bit and I'm gonna adjust the ingredient. You know what? It doesn't taste bad, but it tastes totally different. Let me put mayonnaise. Okay, shake. Because the dressing looks a little more creamy, so I definitely needed some mayonnaise for cheating. Mmm! 近い. I feel like I want to put something a little more sweet. Should I put cashew? You know what? Definitely it's too much vinegar. So let me put all other ingredients besides egg and vinegar. Yeah, let me try that. I think it will work. So starting from onion. I feel like I taste garlic enough. So let's skip garlic as well. So I feel like I want to make it a little sweeter. So I should definitely put some little more nuts. So wait, was it peanuts? Wait, which one was peanuts and which one was cashew? It's peanuts because I did peanuts first. And cashew. Oh, and I want to put more sesame too. I forgot to tell you. So that salad dressing that Sesame gave me, this one is members only. So this store, they only sell this to their member. Isn't that crazy? It's getting closer. But I feel like still too much vinegar. Yeah, definitely put too much vinegar. Again, let me put other ingredients. Carrot. Let's put more carrot. Carrot and celery. Yeah, it definitely got closer. And more celery. And when you put celery, you don't need the fiber. Celery. Put more nuts. More nuts and sesame, I feel like. Okay, let's see. Close. Now I think nuts and sesame is good so far. Let's put a tiny bit of soy sauce, more flavor. And let's do mayonnaise again. Let's see. It's really cute pink color. You know what? Let me taste the original one once. Ah, 全然違うじゃん。More soy sauce. More soy sauce and more salt. Since I love food, so I'm pretty good at guessing what's inside, you know. Whenever I go to a restaurant, every time when I eat something yummy, I always think about what's the ingredient. That totally improves my cooking skill. And you know what? I really feel like I want to put sesame oil. Just tiny bit. You know what? I've been making a note. It looks so messy, but every time I add a little more, I'm, you know, adding. So I can calculate later. Let's shake again. Dashi みたいな味がするんだよな. I taste more like soup stock, kind of. Garlic. Yeah, because I'm supposed to put more garlic than peanuts, but actually I put a bunch of peanuts. It's getting closer, for sure. Oh! Even more soy sauce. もっと醤油. Ah! いい感じ. Let me put a little bit, tiny bit of sugar. Trust me, just a little bit. 近い。相当近い。玉ねぎだな、もっと。More onion now, and it's really close now. Getting closer. So I think I finally got it. I mean, not like 100% same, but I think it tastes similar enough. So right now I have like this much, but I think I'm gonna make this a little bit pinker and like a double amount. Yeah, so you will see the whole bottle later. It's a lot of work. So now I calculate it. I know I wrote in Japanese, but I will put in English on description so you guys can understand. So now I started making more. I'm making with putting things away at the same time because I made a huge mess. I'm getting used to it. So today I'm not making any special salad. I'm gonna just pour the pink dressing on lettuce because I don't have much time today, but I will definitely make another pink salad sometime. Egg salad, potato salad, something like that. I already cleaned up the kitchen, and here I put extra ingredients now. I haven't shaken yet. Let me shake it. And you know, with this salad dressing, I put like raw eggs and raw vegetables. So I recommend to use this within a couple days. Ta-da! So here's homemade pink salad dressing. I'm so hungry. I've been making this dressing 2.5 hours. Here I have lettuce in Barbie bowl. Let me just put this dressing over it because that's like the most simple way to taste this dressing. Look! It's just pink dressing over lettuce, but it looks really cute. I'm so excited to eat this. せーの、いただきます。Yummy! Yummy! You know what? When you mix with the lettuce, actually the lettuce kind of look pink. Wow, it's cute. It's cute. The lettuce totally looks pinker. It's really good. It's so good. Mmm. 美味しい。めっちゃ美味しい。With this dressing, I don't need anything else besides lettuce. I just need lettuce. It's so good. It's really flavorful because you already put like carrots, celery, onions, peanuts, sesame. I love it. I love it so much. I always said that sometimes I eat boring food, which I meant salad, just lettuce salad. But now it won't look any more boring because I can make it thicker. I totally could eat whole lettuce. So this recipe I totally recommend to try because it's really, really good. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pink Task Barbie Day. Bye.